Good evening, my dear students. This is functions part 3 video. In this video, we discuss very important definitions. First one, 1, second, many to one, third, onto, fourth, into, fifth, bisective functions. 1 function. Here, let f mapping from a to b be a function. If different elements in A have different images in B, then f is said to be 1 function. F mapping from A to B be a function if different elements in A have different images in B. Different images in B, then f is 1. The 1 function is also called as injection. Injection. 1 or injection. Both are same. Now here, for example, A, ABC, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B. Let us define A mapping to 3, B mapping to 4, C mapping to 1. It is a 1 function. Different elements AB have different images. BC have different images. CA have different elements. If two elements are different, their images are different. A image is 3, B image is 4, C image is 1. So this is called 1 function. Clearly it is called 1 function. But here 2 has no pre-image, even though it is a 1 function. Now we discuss many to one function. If it is not 1, then that is called many to one. This function is called 1 function. F is 1. You take that F1. F1 is 1. Many to one function. It is not 1, then that is many to one. Now for that, another example. 1, 2, 3. A, B, C, D. A, B. You can take that A, B, C, or otherwise you can take that A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4. No problem. If you take this as the same A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here F2 function. This is F2. A join 2, B join 2, C join 4. This is not 1. F2 is not 1 because A and B are different elements. These two elements have the same image 2. A image is 2, B image is 2. That's why it is not 1 function. It is called many to one function. Now we discuss the onto function. Now we are going to the onto function. F mapping from A to B be a function. F mapping from A to B be a function. If every third point every element of B, every element of B has at least one pre-image, has at least one pre-image in A under F, then F is onto. This is also called as surjection. Now, here, A, B, C, B, 1, 2, A join 1, B join 1, C join 2. By definition, every element in B has at least one pre-image in A under F, then that is called onto function. What has pre-image? A and B, two pre-images are there, at least one enough. 2 also has pre-image, so clearly it is onto. This is called onto. F1 is onto. Let us take another example, not onto. A, B, C. B, you change the elements. B, 1, 2, 3, 4. A join 2, B join 1, C join 3. It is not onto because 4 has no pre-image. 4 has no pre-image. It is not onto. F is not onto. Okay. My doubt is, if C join 4, is it onto? No. Because C has two images. That is not a function. Every element in A has only one image, then that is a function. If C join to anyone, that is not a function. Or 4 pre-image, if you join 4 to anyone, reverse, that is not a function. So here it is not onto because 4 has no pre-image. If every element in B has at least one image in A, then that is onto function. 4 has no pre-image, that's why it is not onto. If it is not onto, that is called into function. F2 is into function. So my dear students, here, if B contains more number of elements than A, then there is no onto function from A to B. A and B are finite sets. If n of A less than or equal to n of B less than, note, if n of A less than n of B, there is no onto function. There is no onto function. If n of A greater than n of B, there is no 1-1 function. 1-1 function. There is no 1-1. Here, F mapping from A to B is onto function. Definitely n of A greater than or equal to n of B. N of A greater than or equal to n of B. Otherwise, we can't define onto function. Now we are going to another definition, that is into. If it is not onto, that is into function. Now we discuss the bisective function. Bisective function. F mapping from A to B is a function. If F is 1-1 and onto, then that is called bisective function. F mapping from A to B be a function. If f is 1 1 and onto, then f is bisective function. For example, a 1 2 3 a, and let us take a b c some concept. b 1 2 3 a 2 b 3 c 1. It is clearly 1 1 and onto. 1 1 different elements have different images. Onto, every element in b has at least one pre-image. Therefore, it is onto. F is bisective. 1 1 and onto. F is bisective. Another example. 1 2 3 ABC, ABC, B, B, 1 2 3 4 1 3 this. Not onto, not bisective. Not bisective. Not bisective. Because it is not, 4 has no pre-image, but it is 1 1. It is 1 1, but not onto. That's why not bisective. Because of not onto. Not onto. Now, let us give one example. Not 1 1 but onto. Not 1 1 but onto. In that case, A, B, C, D, 1 2 3. It is onto but not 1 1. So it is not bisective. Here 1 1 but not onto. 1 1 but not onto. Not bisective. So if the function is both 1 1 and onto, then that function is called bisective. Here, n of a less than n of b. N of a greater than n of b. N of a means number of elements in a. N of b, number of elements in b. N of a here less than n of b. N of a is greater than n of b. Here n of a equal to n of b. If a and b are finite sets and n of a equal to n of b, there is a chance to bisective function. Or if f mapping from a to b is bisective, definitely the number of elements in a equal to the number of elements in b, provided a and b are finite sets. Look here, n of a less than n of b, not onto, surely not onto. N of a greater than n of b, not 1 1. Not 1 1. Here not onto. So if there is a 1 1 function from a to b, so n of a must be less than or equal to n of a less than or equal to n of b, then there is a function, 1 1 function from a to b. So if f mapping from a to b is 1 1, definitely n of a less than or equal to n of b. F mapping from a to b is onto, definitely n of a greater than or equal to n of b. Okay. These definitions are very important, and based on that we can find the nature of the function. Thank you, my dear students. This is part 3 video. In the next video, we discuss the analytical definitions of 1 1 onto bisective, as well as graphical definition. By using the graph, how to decide the function is 1 1 or onto or bisective. Okay. Thank you, my dear students. Bye.